Okay, so two cool things about this video today. One, you get a YZ250 with the CAMSO setup and it does quite well. Two, a 10-year-old is riding it. So that was Jack. He's 10 years old on a YZ250 CAMSO. Doesn't weigh anything, so he's just rocking all over the place. Here comes Jack. Wallace is on his Yeti. Hey guys, I've been getting lots of good video this season. Hope you enjoy it when I finally get it out. Anyways, just thought I would throw out this quick video here. Don't forget to check out some of these playlists, especially my favorite one.